So in the previous two videos, I started by taking the Pitsco Getting Started guide and using all of the base Pitsco Tetris components to assemble the robot from the guide. And then I took our robot builder and added actual physical properties to the model that we created to make it into an actual robot that we can use in a simulated environment. And now in this video, I'm actually going to be taking that robot we made and importing it. Right now I'm just importing the chassis, and I'm also going to import an apartment environment that we've got here. One of my colleagues created this. So let's add some light so we can see what's going on here. And as you can see, you can treat the light as any other object, just drag it and drop it and rotate it. It's nice and simple, easy to use, just like the rest of Robot Builder. Robot Builder and Robot System are very closely related, you can see from the controls. So now we drag and drop the robot that we created into the environment. And now, as you can see, when we hit play, it falls and lands gently on the floor. And now we can actually add controls to map like keyboard or game controller to the various motors on the robot. So as you can see, I can rotate the robot by moving just one motor, and to move forward and backward we can activate both of the motors. So this is just how you would control the robot in real life. And you can see we can move it about the apartment, rotate it around. For simplicity, we can bind the camera to the chassis so that when we move the camera, automatically follows it. So now we're free to move around. And it's almost like you're running the robot in like a video game or a simulated environment. So you can envision coming up with some use for a robot with Pitsco Tetris components and creating your environment in Robot Builder, building your robot in Robot Builder, and then seeing how it would actually behave in there. So, and actually, you don't actually have to map controls to the various motors. We actually can run these robots autonomously. So say we have an autonomous activity we want to simulate, we can do that there. But just for the purpose of this demo, I'm just driving this around with the keyboard right now. Alright, and now if we try to leave the environment here, we will no longer have the floor supporting and gravity will just take over.